Hi, kindergarten friends. I know you have been doing so excellent with your counting skills. You've been amazing. And remember, we have been trying to build on our counting skills by writing the number that matches the objects that we counted. So the standard that we are working on is writing our numerals. Remember, numerals is a fancy word that means numbers from 0 to 20. And we've broken that down so that we are starting with 0 through 10. So let me share my screen with you. And we're just going to practice some numbers here. And what I want you to say as I prepare my board is your I can statement. It's very important to remember why we're doing what we're doing and what it is we're learning. So you're going to say, I can count objects and write my answer. So say that again. I can count objects and write my answer. Very good. So first, I'm going to show you how to write the numbers, and then we're going to do a fun number scavenger hunt. So first, we're going to start with 0. Remember, 0 is just a big circle like this, more like an oval. And then the number 1 is a straight line up and down from top to bottom. Number 1. Number 2, we make half a heart, give it a shoe. That's how we write the number 2. Number 3 is half rounded tree, curve it, number 3. Number 4, we make a short line, we make a tall line, and then we make the meet in the middle. That's the number 4. On number 5, we go back, down, out, and around. And another way to do that is to make your straight line, then give him a big belly, and then give him a hat. Whichever way works best for you. And for a number 6, we start at the top, get a little curvy, we curve it back around just like that. On number 7, goes back and down. On number 8, you can make a letter S, and then you're just going to connect this bottom line right back up to the top. Another way to do that is a small circle and a big circle. So you choose the way that works best for you. Number 9 is a straight line, and we add our circle, just like that. And then a number 10 uses 2 numbers that we already know, a 1 and a 0. Just like that. So we are connecting something that we're really good at, which is counting, with this newer skill of writing the numbers of what we counted. So what you're going to do is go around your house and you are going to look for 1 of something. And you will come back once you have found 1 item. It could be anything. It could be 1 chair, 1 window, 1 doorknob. Then you're going to come back to me with your notebook. You're going to write a number 1, and then you're going to draw, maybe you found 1 window. So you would just draw a little window, just like that. And we're going to share what we found with each other and how our numbers look and how many the number looks like. I'm sorry, how much of something it is. So this is 1 window. This is what 1 looks like. Let's try it with another number. So you watch me, and then we'll get a chance to do this together. Then we'll do a number 2. Half a heart, give it a shoe. Maybe I found 2 spoons. So I'll make 2 little spoons here. And that is how much 2 is. You can see it, 1, 2, and this is what the 2 looks like. So I know that there are 2 there without even having to count because I can read the number 2. Remember, our goal is I can count objects and write my answer. So I'm going to show you my bears here. See how many bears I have. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bears right here. So I would write the number 3. Half rounded tree, curve it, number 3. Then I'll just make my 3 little bears, and a little head and a little bear body. Maybe some little bear ears here. Just like that. So this is really fun because it helps us connect counting and numbers with things in our everyday lives around our house. So say it with me again. I can count objects and write my answer. You're so smart. Okay, so that's it for the I do portion of that lesson. Next, we will do the scavenger hunt, the we do portion of that lesson, where we go around the house and we find a certain number of objects until we get all the way to 10. And then we need to think of something that we don't have in our house, like 0 of something. Maybe you don't have a fish or you don't have a dog. So you would write 0 and then what you have 0 of. And then all by yourself, you will write your number line at the bottom of 0 through 10. So you can look back in your scavenger hunt journal of where you wrote all the numbers and we shared them together. And then at the bottom, you're going to make your own number line, your own super special kindergarten number line that you can use anytime that you need it. It'll go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. And then if you need any more help with your number line, you can look back at your own journal. That's a good resource. But also, you can ask your parents to search on YouTube for Jack Hartman Kindergarten Numbers. And he has that really fun number song where you can practice how to make the numbers. You can sing and you make them in the air. 1 and a 2. It's almost like you have a lightsaber from Star Wars. It's really fun. So if you need more help, that video is there. And let's do our journals together. And let's do a super awesome celebration for how hard you're going to be working today. You know, I love to do cheers. So let's do the hot pepper cheer because we're so excited to do this. Get out your hot pepper. It's spicy. Take a bite. Ay, ay, ay. All right, let's get to work, friends.